Hi guys, welcome to Mbali Talks. In today's video, I want to share with you an amazing website slash app that you can actually use in order for you to make money online. What I like about this website is the fact that it offers a lot of ways for you to make money. You can either do clicks, you can do offer walls, you can play games, you can take surveys. There's just so many ways for you to be able to make money on this website. So I'm sure you'll also find your own way that can actually work for you. Before we start, please do remember to hit the like button so that this video can do well on YouTube's algorithm. And also please don't be shy to join our community by just hitting that subscribe button below, as well as leave on your notification bell so that you never miss out on any of the content that happens here on Mbali Talks. Without wasting any more of your time, let's get right into it. The website that we're going to talk about today is called Free Cash, and I do like the fact that their name is literally telling you what they're about, which is basically giving you free cash just for you to be able to take surveys, to install apps, etc. Based on Trustpilot review, this app, which is called Free App, actually has 4.5 stars, which basically means, first of all, it's a legit app, and also they are more likely to pay you your money once you have accumulated it. We're going to read a bit more about what you can expect with free cash. They say here, do you want to earn free cash within minutes? Here's how you can actually do it. First of all, you need to choose an offer. Take your pick from the tasks on the end page. They list the best offers from companies who want to advertise their apps, surveys, and products, etc. Secondly, you complete the offer. Most offers are very simple and have already earned money for thousands of people. Most offers take around 5 to 10 minutes to complete. And then, of course, lastly, what we're all here for, you get paid. For each task you complete, you'll be rewarded with coins. 1,000 free coins equals $1. Cash out the coins and get your hands on free cash. I've actually mentioned this app before in one of my older videos, but I just thought this time around I wanted to sort of take you guys through the process of how you can actually register and what you can actually expect once you've actually registered on the website, the types of ways that you can actually make money, how much each task and or offer offers you, etc. Some of the best ways that you can earn on an app like Free Cash is, first of all, to play games. In order to attract more players, gaming companies want to pay you to play their games. On average, you can basically get paid maybe $0.5 to $120 per app while you are playing on the app. There was actually an app that I downloaded a while ago when I was using Free Cash for the first time. I think it was like a solitaire app. They actually did pay me for me to be able to actually play on the platform, which I did see and I did appreciate. However, because I have so many other apps that I'm always testing so that I can give you guys the information, I do know that I kind of abandoned it a bit. However, if you're somebody who, unlike me, does not have a lot on your plate that you're doing, this is actually one of the easiest apps that you can use to be able to make money playing games. The next best way to earn on Free Cash is to obviously complete their offers. Get to know new companies by trying their apps while you earn money. It's time to get paid for using apps. Earnings per app range between $1 to $75. And then you can also join surveys. Companies need your opinion to create better products and services. That's why they pay you for your feedback. Surveys generally attract about $1 because you find that there are just 5 to 10 minute surveys that you can actually check out. Free Cash says they're the number one site to make money, and here's why. First of all, they offer highest payout, which means you earn way more than on other sites. It's their goal to help you make as much money as possible. Secondly, you get instant cash outs. Do you need your earnings now? No problem. You can always withdraw them almost instantly, starting at a threshold of $2. This is actually a very low threshold because you find a lot of these apps have a minimum of either $5 and or $10 for you to be able to withdraw before you can actually get your money. But with Free Cash, the threshold is as minimal as $2. And then thirdly, they offer daily bonuses, which means you climb the daily bonus ladder, reach the leaderboard, or start a streak to earn extra rewards absolutely free. So that's why they say they're the number one site to make money. It just seems like there are many ways for you to be able to make money, as well as many other different ways that you can actually cash out, which we're going to check out once I go into my profile, because I had already registered a profile. However, I did realize that the old profile that I had registered seemed like it had been cancelled because I had not been on the app for a very long time, which is why I ended up creating a new profile. And for my Swazi peeps, I just want to say I do know that this app is available in Swaziland. If it's not available on your internet, then I really don't know, because when I registered my new account, I was literally actually in Swaziland, and you're actually going to see the proof in that once I take you into my profile. The proof is in the pudding. As you can see here, there is this Swazi flag that you can see on the page, which relates to the fact that it is me who has actually registered, and I registered using an IP address that is linked to Swaziland. So if you try to log in and you're not able to, I really don't know what the problem is, as I do know that some apps don't work in Swaziland, but I do know that this one actually does because I did register my new account while I was actually in Swaziland. So anyway, taking you through the app, we're going to start here on this end tab just so that you can see the different ways that you can make money. This is a games offer. Currently, they have 2 games that you can actually download and play, reach certain levels, and be able to make up to $6.16 and or $19.56. You can also make money on free cash by participating in the different offers that they actually have. These are some of their offer partners. I just want to see if they'll be able to show us what you can expect. So with offers, you find that you need to either sign up to an app, you need to either play a game and complete certain tasks in it, or you need to open the app, play and complete certain tasks, etc. And then you're obviously going to earn all these different coins that you can potentially see here that they've listed. You can earn up to 298 coins, or 10,900 coins, or 8,000 coins, 596 coins, 6,000 coins, etc. These coins basically vary based on the game and or the task that you're actually going to do. I do know that, as I mentioned, when I used to play solitaire on one of their websites, I actually did make money from the coins that I was actually accumulating. Every level of every game, you find you earn a bit more. For example, this Honeygain offer says easy money in 3 clicks. All you have to do is sign up to Honeygain, get the app onto your device, and share only 250 MB of your Wi-Fi, and you're going to get 298 coins. But somewhere else you find it says up to 10,900 rand, which means as you go through the different stages of the game and taking different tasks and moving up different levels, you're going to be gaining as and when you're doing so. And even if you're not able to reach the high number of say 10,900 coins, you would still say maybe make about 5,000 coins, which again, because 1,000 coins is equal to $1, it means that on that game alone, you'd have easily made up to $5. In addition, you're able to make money on free cash by actually taking surveys. These are the different survey partners. You find a lot of these survey companies are more or less the same on the different websites. It just depends on which website you decide to use, which is why I often recommend that when you're going to make money on these small free cash apps, please make sure that you're trying to have as many of them as possible so that you can maximize your earnings at the end of the month. Up here, we see the leaderboard of how much people have actually been getting paid, how much money they are making. Somebody cashed out $5.21, somebody cashed out 50 cents, somebody cashed out $2. Any amount that you feel like you want to cash out. I do know that they offer different ways for you to be able to cash out that I actually want us to check out, because somebody else might say, actually, Mbali, in the beginning you said that the threshold is $2 before you can cash out. However, if you're willing for them to pay you in crypto, then the threshold is way less, which is about 50 cents, which is why this other person somewhere here was able to cash out about 49 or 69 cents, because it means they actually agreed for them to be paid out in crypto or in stake withdrawals, which obviously the threshold is 0.25 cents. But for me personally, I always say I want to stick to where the money is. So these are the different ways that you can actually get paid here on free cash. There's PayPal, you can get paid on Bitcoin, you can use Ethereum. Ethereum and Bitcoin are actually platforms that you find I also participate in sometimes, which is something that I actually spoke about in a different video about investing and trading and buying stocks as a way for you to be able to make a bit of passive income for yourself. Other ways to get your free cash money is for you to convert them into gift cards. You can use Amazon gift cards, the Spotify gift cards. If you're somebody like me who uses Spotify, there's Google Play for you to be able to buy apps, there's music, as well as Netflix. So if you're somebody who has a Netflix account, you can actually use your free cash coins / money for you to be able to actually pay for that account of yours. There's Xbox Live, which means you can also buy games. There's PlayStation. The possibilities of how you can actually get paid here on free cash are endless, which is why I feel like it's one of the best apps that you can actually check out if you're trying to make money online. Not only that, if you're like me, you actually do like the affiliate tab here, because obviously you want to be able to refer people and make a bit of commission every time somebody completes an offer. And I do appreciate those that I've actually seen using my links to register on the different websites that you find I talk about. However, I just do want to say that the only way that I'm able to make money is if you actually complete the offers. So as much as you have registered using my link, which I appreciate, please do attempt to do some of the offers so that when you are able to complete the offer, that's only when I then get to get paid. If you're interested in participating in affiliate programs, which is also another way that I had suggested in a different video that you can use for you to make passive income. There's a lot of money that you can make from affiliate programs, but you also need to make sure that you have quite a bit of those. Like for example, on free cash, they offer up to 30% commission on the affiliates based on the amount of offers and or people that actually sign in using your link, which I honestly feel like is quite high compared to a lot of other sites. Right now, so far, I've only been able to make 0.05, which is a small amount. But again, this for me is a new account. The previous account, I know that I probably made about up to $10 at the time when I actually was serious about it, but I was not going in every day. So if you're somebody, say maybe you're sitting at work, you're trying to make a bit of extra money, or you're unemployed, you're sitting at home and you're trying to figure out how you can make at least money for you to be able to buy toiletries, Free Cash is one of those apps that I'd recommend for you to check out. Try to do some of the offers during your day, in between your work, in between your tasks, in between your breaks. Even if you're a student, just make sure that you're obviously above 18 years of age in order for them to be able to accept you. Otherwise, I definitely feel like Free Cash is one of those apps that you can actually use in order for you to be able to make money online. If you found this video valuable, please do reward me by hitting the like button so that this video can do well on YouTube's algorithm. And also, if you haven't already, please do join our community by just hitting the subscribe button below. And please make sure to keep your notifications on so that you never miss out on any of the content that happens here on Mbali Talks, because guys, you always know I always plug you with the most juiciest and most valuable information that you can find online in order for us to be able to make money and gain ourselves some financial freedom. With all that said, I'm going to see you guys in the next Mbali Talks video. Cheers.